Good morning. Myself Swati Gehlot from class 9th A. Today we will discuss about Indian villages, strength or weakness. What is mean by village? A village is a group of houses or community larger than hamlet and smaller than town where most of the land is used for agriculture. Indian village. The soul of India lives in its villages. India is a land of villages. There are some 6,38,000 villages in India. According to 2015 census, 72.2% of the population live in villages. They depend mostly on agriculture and small scale industries. Indian villages has strength. Dependency. Our basic need is food and it comes from villages. In India, 52% of employment is based on agriculture. Agriculture institutes the major part of GDP in India. Small scale industry. Indian villages are promoting small scale industries like handloom industry, dairy farm, poultry farm, matchbox industry. Good environment. Population less surroundings, greenery, they do not spoil fertility of land but they preserve it. Limited wants. Lifestyle of villagers is so simple, so their needs are limited. Less consumption of fuel, electricity and transport. People potential. Village people mostly are hardworking, unity and active. Weakness of Indian villages. Old beliefs. Their beliefs are too old for the present generation culture. Some of them believe in superstitions. Agriculture may not yield sufficient income. Their job of agriculture may not yield them money that is enough for their livelihood. Education. Finance literacy level for women in India. About 35% of illiterate population lives in India and based on their historic pattern of literacy rate across the world. India may account for a majority of world's literate by 2020. Villages do not possess proper facilities for higher education. The Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan The Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan was launched by central government in 2001 to ensure all children in the 6 to 14-year age group attend school. Growth urban population since 1951 to 2011 in India moved towards city. Lack of proper education facility is leading the way to move the cities for higher education. Agriculture is resulting in loss due to increase the cost of agriculture. Some of them are getting attracted to luxurious life in cities. Some of them are coming to cities for their employment. Conclusion. Villages are the biggest support for India. From the past to future, they are the one with which the world recognized India. The village contribute to our modern India in every field starting from agriculture, economy, prettiness of our country. Hence, spite of all the negative factors, the positive factors leads the way. Hence, I conclude that villages are the biggest strength to our country. Thank you for attention.
Good morning, sir. It's Bhagyashree from class 9th B. Today I am going to discuss the topic Indian villages, our strength or weakness. Once Mahatma Gandhi ji said, the future of India lies in its villages just because of its self-sufficient units. Villages are the backbones of the nation because most of the crops have been grown in villages. So we can say that villages feed everyone. Ecological level is maintained by villages because of the environment of villages. more trees, eco-friendly habits makes it pollution-free. India's economy depends on villages because of agricultural sector. Along with agricultural sector, fishery and forestry accounts the India's one-third of gross domestic production. Traditional and cultural values. India is well known for its tradition and culture. Festivals and traditional ceremonies have been celebrated in villages but have been forgotten by city people. They always live in unity, healthy lifestyle. Healthy food and lifestyle of villages is being replicated in cities these days, which makes India more healthier. But sometimes it becomes our weakness because of illiteracy, poverty, unemployment, infant mortality rate, lack of water facility, transport facility, and educational institutes. So the conclusion is, villages are definitely our strength, but villages are definitely our strength, but due to less support for agriculture, village people are migrating to cities. Thus, government should provide loans and insurance for agriculture and should provide a chance to villagers to directly sell their product to customers and should concern on the education and basic rights of the villagers. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Role of digitalization and education. Students using digital learning tools and technology became more engaged in the process and more interested in growing their knowledge base. They may not even realize that they are actively learning since they are learning through engaged methods such as peer education, teamwork, problem solving, reverse teaching, etc. Digitalization in education refers to this use of digital technology to teach students. Thank you.
A very good morning to all of you. This is Chavi from class 9th A and my topic is youth into politics. In recent past, we have seen the emergence of youth into politics which brought many enthusiasm and confidence among people. And we also know that leaders don't need to do different things. It would be sufficient that they can make things differently, and this is what we need now. We want fresh minds to come into politics and make our country better and better. Like Jyoti Adityanath Scindia, Omar Abdullah, they have been crucial for their parties they work for, and consequently we see more and more youth joining in politics, which is good sign, and hence increasing number of young politicians is certainly a new dawn. Thank you.
Good morning, my name is Varshini Mani from class 9th and my topic is Indian villages are strength and weakness. Strength of our Indian villages. Village people have more unity, helping nature and hard-working nature. Once India was called as Golden Bird due to villages. Mahatma Gandhi said that the future India lies in its villages. Villages are the backbone of India because most of the food crops are in villages. Economical balance is maintained by villages because of the environment of villages. Weaknesses of our Indian villages. Illiteracy rate is high in villages. Poverty lies more in poverty. Unemployment lies more in villages. Lack of water facility, transport facility and educational institution. Infant mortality rate is high because of illiteracy. Increase in population because of high literacy rate in villages. Thank you. Wish you very happy Diwali.